The NASDAQ has made an amazing recovery and is up for the year, even as the economy struggles. Let's toss it over to Joe Tegay for the Trader Rundown. Joe.
Thank you, Angie. Now, there's a lot of conflicting data out there. This is the worst recession we've seen in a generation, couple generations really, since World War II. Everyone's saying unemployment rate going to be super high. How long that lasts is anybody's guess. No, there's a lot of conflicting data out there. Just looking at the NASDAQ by itself, you might not realize that. We're up 8% on the year in the NASDAQ. So there's nobody waiting and see on the NASDAQ. They're pricing a recovery there. On the S&P and the Dow, we're well off of our lows, so people aren't waiting and seeing. They're expecting the market to have some sort of recovery at some point. Now, sometimes the market can get ahead of itself on this. Case in point, Moderna just on Tuesday issued a new offering at $76 a share after a good trial result for one of their vaccines. And investors who paid $76 did not wait and see. They were expecting this to take off. Now, it came out after the fact, after that offering, that the trial result maybe wasn't as good as people thought, and the market was down 10%. So that's one case in point where the market got ahead of itself and came back. Now, for me, I think the market is just looking at the liquidity the Fed is putting out there, the liquidity the Congress is putting out there. There's a lot of cash, and the big cap stocks are taking advantage of it, and they can because they're able to use that liquidity to their advantage. The small caps are looking more like the economy. The Russell's still down 20%, and they're struggling right now. However, the big caps are able to take advantage of that liquidity and putting it to work. Now, on Wednesday, the market had another nice recovery. Before the market opened, some really positive Fed speak. People have been talking about whether or not the Fed needs Congress to act to help the states and municipalities. Some Fed speak on Wednesday saying that the Fed should be able to do that and can do that. I think the market liked that, and seeing some states or cities being able to refinance without having a government solution where politics gets involved, I think the market would want to see that.
Thank you for your Trader Talk, Joe. For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.